Jasmine, can you show me your eyes? Could you show me your nose?
No.
Can you show me your mouth? Show me your head. Where's your arms? Where's your tummy? Show me, Jazzy, show me your leg.
Yeah.
Show me your feet. Show me your hands. Show me your teeth. Show me your ears. Your ears. Where's your hair? Here. Now show me your smile.
Yeah.
Your smile. You say cheese? Bye.
Bye.
See you later. I love you. Bye.